thing for today makeup is like Glam Smoky Eyes. But instead of black, maybe I will use the dark purple. So I just like put the moisturizer to her face. She has like normal to dry skin. So before I put the foundation and all of this thing, I have to like prep the skin and make the skin like moist so the makeup can stick very well on her skin. Before I put the silicone based for the prep for the primer, I want to use the lighter texture, which is liquid, before I put the cream one. And the primer, like to make your makeup last longer and just make your skin ready. Don't worry, my skin is clean already. So this one, a concealer. She has kind of like darker area in this one, so I want to cover it up before I put the foundation. So this color is really nice to cover the dark circle. So I just put it because this area is very soft, so you can't put any pressure. So we just like put the soft touch over here. We don't want to make the skin stress. So yeah, put it over here as well. I know it's look crazy now, but yeah, don't worry because we're gonna cover it up with concealer. The second one, actually this is very like optional. Some people will use the concealer first, some people will use the foundation first, but for me, I like to put the concealer under the foundation. Okay, can you look up please? Yep, no, oh my god, so many wrinkles. And the second one, after this, I will put the foundation. I love to put it with my skin first before I dab it, because if I dab it straight away to the beauty blender, all the product will stick to the beauty blender, because you know the beauty blender will absorb all the product and it's gonna waste. So I prefer to put the product first on the face, then I dabbed it with beauty blender. Try to dab it, not drag it down, because I don't want to like remove all the concealer and the layer that I put it before, because I see the smile line over here, so I don't want to put a lot of foundation in this area because it will crack and I avoid that. So just slowly, patiently to dab this one, because again, makeup, you have to be patient. You can't do it rashly. Just the complexion. Don't smile, ma'am. Because you make a wrinkle.
Okay.
I have to put the horror music. This is a glam look, so I'm gonna use the pomade one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The pomade one, and this is like the pencil one. This is just the cheap one from Daiso. She already have a good shape of eyebrow, as you can see. So I just have to follow, and now I have to frame the eyebrow. I usually start it from behind. And just follow. Okay. The outer line, because I'm gonna fill in with the fill the eyebrow with the pomade. So, and I don't want to be very bold on the front area, because it's not gonna make very natural look of that, because we're gonna focus on the eyeshadow, so I don't want to make the eyebrow very bold.
I can't stop smiling.
I always dab it to my hand before it's very dark, so I don't want to put a lot of color or pigment to her eyebrow, or it's gonna be like Shin-chan. You know Shin-chan?
Ah,
The cartoon one.
thick eyebrows.
Yeah. We'll try. This is some trick. So many beauty bloggers used it, so it will make your eyebrows stays like stand.
Oh.
Yeah. Use the again concealer. Become your eyeshadow base again, because she has the eyeline, so I don't want to put too many layers. It's not gonna comfortable, and it's not gonna look good. And finally, we start. I use the peach palette from Too Faced. I really like this color. It's very warm and peachy. And man, this smells good. Kind of you wanna eat it. Use the puree color. I just put this brown color to all over her eyelid before I put any color. Ah, you remind me I have to put the tip. Sorry. So the eyeshadow will be stopped over here. When I take it off, it will make a good shape, a very neat shape.
Dark.
Sharp line. I want to have a good combination of the color, like the transition. It's very soft between the dark to the lighter color, and will like mix the gold shimmer as a pop eye. Pop eye is like only in here, only in the eyeball area. So you like just put it on the corner of the eyes. Use your blending brush, brush it up, right, left, like till the harsh line gone, till it blend to your other eyes. Corner, in the inner corner, I put the purple color as well. Again, this is smoky Glamour. I want to make her more smoky, and this is not dark enough in my standard, I think, so I will put again to the color. It says it named Talk Derby to me. Yeah, so talk derby. I talk dirty to me.
Stop smiling. And she's still smiling. I'm joking.
Gone. Okay, done.
We're trying to use the pop-up eye, the gold eyes. I like from this one. So after I put the concealer here, and it will have a mark here, so I can work my concealer till this. No. So I think I don't need the strap again, because this final step I only blend it out and then put more glitter maybe for make it more pop up, so I just take it off. As you can see, yeah, the line is very neat, so I don't have to put much extra on them. I just need to blend it out now. Yeah, the focus on the lower lash line now.
What color that one?
Again, same purple. Like I used it in the outer lid. Like, yeah.
The highlighter?
Yeah. In the corner. Blush. This is from NYX. A coral. I don't want to put a bold color of blush, so just natural to make her face look fresh. From the cheekbone to the cheek. Oh my god, kayaknya sih nggak cocok ya. Asian brand.
Oh, okay.
Finally, Wardah Insta Perfect.
Here you go.
So yeah, because as you can see, the eyes is very bold, so I don't want to put like red color lipstick, so it's gonna be too much. So I'm trying to put the nude color, but on her skin it's not gonna be very nude. On my skin it's a bit dark but not nude, but I think it match
Yep.
her skin. As we can see, her lips very dry, so we're gonna put this is Korean
Yeah.
ginger sugar lip mask overnight. So I just put it, dab it in my finger, just put it nicely. But we'll do the best. But actually she already has a good shape of lips, so we just followed it. Not really thin, not really thick. Lip. Eyelashes, fake eyelashes. Oh yeah, it matched her very well. My steps, I put the fake eyelashes first, then I put the mascara on. But some people, they put the mascara on and put eyelashes. So yeah, just do it. So I start from the center, then from behind.
Try it.
Yeah. So I just put it to
What is that?
a bronzer from Rimmel Makeup. So I just want to frame her face, become smaller with a darker color, because we put too much light. Don't forget. Yeah. Just very soft highlighter. After that we're gonna coat it. We're gonna coat it with Maybelline one because it's more blinding. So this one, Cupid bow. On the chin as well, and the last one on the bridge of the nose. For the nose, just a bit. Let me do this. Eyeliner, because you know we used the white glue before and it doesn't look good, because and you can see the gaps, a lot of gaps here, so I don't want to see that. So before I put the mascara on, I want to like cover the white glue on the lid. Yeah, become darker. I don't want to put a wing liner over here because the eyes. You have to put it by yourself. Yeah, it's not good. I will put it cotton bud. Kayaknya nggak usah record yang ini.